sexy like I should. All my shit don't get misunderstood. I'm not looking.
Hi, you guys. I'm back, and I know it's been like forever. If you hear noises, you probably hear noises from outside. And honestly, you guys, I do want to apologize for like it's just so much. Got my friends with my snack because it's just so much. I want to tell you guys. I have on no makeup. I'm just here to kind of let you know, tell you guys like where I've been at, what's been going on in my life. Kind of just like, I don't know, I just don't want you guys to feel like I just kind of abandoned you guys. And I did see that I had a couple of like messages on some of my old videos asking like, girl, where you been at? Like, you know, what's been going on? But if you're new here and you haven't, you know, I see I have a few new subscribers and you want to know like where I'm at, where I've been, why I started with all these videos and all of a sudden just kind of left for the past 2 months. I'm gonna let you guys know. I do want you to go ahead and subscribe because y'all, I'm back and I got a lot more stuff coming. I'm gonna let you guys know in this video what's gonna be going on and what's been going on. So go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe button, go ahead and comment, like, do all the good stuff. You know the usual, and continue to just keep watching. So, the last video I posted, I think it was like a hair routine. You guys know, like at the beginning of the year, I chopped my hair off. 2019 has just been like really like a rough year. I think it started off going really good, and then like mid 2019, I think everything just kind of changed. I know I posted a video of me moving, letting you guys know I moved. I posted a video letting you guys know I got proposed to. So just to catch you guys up on a lot of things. I've been wooside a lot, so.
It has not been good. It's been good for y'all, because y'all sitting there laughing at me, but it's not been good for me. Is everybody?
If you follow me on Snapchat, you follow me on Facebook, you guys know by now that I have postponed my wedding. I don't like to really get into details, but like I'm dealing with a lot of things with myself and trying to better myself and focus on me as a person. I don't know, I think I told y'all back in an old video, I don't know, maybe I took it down before, I think I maybe took it off. But I deal with anxiety and depression really, really, really bad. A lot of people don't know it because I feel like I paint this picture and I live this life on my social media or even in real life with people that know me. Majority of the time when they see me or I'm at work, I'm a happy person. I'm not down, I'm not sad, I'm not in the dump. I portray this person to be happy, smiling, and just like kind of carefree. But in reality, I deal with anxiety and depression really, really bad. I just think a lot of people don't know it, and a lot of people don't even talk about it, and it's kind of hard to talk to people about it because when you talk to people about it that really don't relate to it, it's kind of just like a difficult situation because if they deal with their situations differently or they're more mentally, I don't want to say more, I guess that is the word, more mentally stable because everybody deal with stuff different, and anxiety and depression it's a mental illness, so it's just, we don't deal with our issues like some other people deal with it. I've talked to people that are actually in a place where they're not, they haven't been clinically diagnosed with depression or anxiety. And someone once asked me, it was like, well, you know, you go through things in life and you become sad or you become, you know, you just kind of feel like you lose a job or something. And in that moment, like you're sad and you're hurt. But when it comes down to a point where you're clinically diagnosed with it, it's just times where you just kind of can't function. It can kind of be like, everybody know in this world as an adult you deal with crisis, but at certain points when you're diagnosed with clinical depression, you don't deal with everyday problems like a typical normal person would. A lot of times we just kind of want to lay in the bed. There's been times where I didn't go to work, or I will call one of my clients and I'll be like, hey, today I'm just not feeling it, or I'll call up my job and I don't want to say I'm sick doctor on a more consistent basis to try to manage it. They have changed my medications around, and I do think, as of right now, it's working. I always say people that deal with anxiety and depression, I feel like they kind of treat you. I don't want to say like a guinea pig, but they put you on medication. You kind of know if that medication is going to work, so they just switch you over to another medication. And it's kind of like they just keep changing and switching you to different medications until they find one or two or three medications that actually combine together, work together. See what else. So, as of right now, am I still in a relationship? Yes. Am I still engaged? Yes. I'm just taking time to figure out actually like what I want and to make sure that I got all my ducks in a row and everything is gonna work out for me. I would say dealing with somebody that has been diagnosed with depression and anxiety, I do feel like it's a lot harder for your significant other or your spouse to deal with you. I think you have to be a really special person to deal with someone in that that has been diagnosed with depression and anxiety. And I do feel like a lot of people can't deal with a significant other that deal with that. But yeah, as far as my relationship go, I'm still engaged. I'm still in a relationship. I'm still the same person. I'm just dealing with some things right now, and I just don't want to make a decision or do anything that I regret for the rest of my life. I'm not the type of person. I don't want to marry somebody and get divorced. I don't want to marry somebody and then realize like a couple years down the road or months down the road that this isn't what I wanted. I want to be 1% certain that this is what I want, and at this point in my life, I'm not 100% certain what I want. So that's where my engagement and all of that is at right now. I just like took a remote and I just paused it just to figure out what I really want. So I was gonna come in here. I was gonna actually do my makeup. I do feel like when I done makeup, I do feel like it was like my therapy. I think it was very therapeutic for me. I kind of stopped doing it. I still buy makeup like you guys. I have bought so much makeup. I'm ready to like come back on camera and record using a whole bunch of these new products that I have used because I haven't did any reviews on a lot of these products. So I am gonna come and do. They'll be late because everybody else have done the Juvia's Place foundation, the ABH foundation. There's a whole bunch of other products that I have kind of tested out or that I haven't tested out, and I do want to film that on camera because, like I said, I do feel like when I did my makeup tutorials and will come onto the camera and vlog and stuff, I do feel like it was really therapeutic. So I'm gonna come back doing tutorials. I'm gonna have vlogs because you guys, as you can see, I gained a lot of weight. I gained a very, very lot of weight. I think I gained almost like 25 to 30 pounds. So I'm starting back on my weight loss journey. So I will be posting those videos because I just got to a point. It would be like I wouldn't do my hair. I just felt like ugly.
Damn, you are ugly.
I just felt like I don't know. I was just really, 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 really at a bad place, and I'm doing a whole lot better. I don't know if I told you guys before, but I'm not. I don't have like a whole lot of friends. I don't associate with a lot of people, and over the past couple of months, I have became a person that actually will talk to people or have met people that I feel like have become special to me and in my life. So I'm just very busy. So I know I have a 3 and a 4-year-old. And my 4-year-old has a disability. I want to talk about it. It's so much. I actually had a journal before, and I would write down stuff that I actually wanted to talk about. And it's just like, I just got sidetracked and anxiety, and my anxiety, my depression I kind of just let it like get in the way. But I just want to be an overcomer. take over my whole life. Like, I want to still be me. It's so many times I don't even feel like myself. I keep saying, I'm trying to see. I don't want to miss anything. I really want y'all to know, like, what's been going on, and I don't want to make this video too long. I don't want it to be boring. I just want y'all to know, like, what's been going on. I don't want y'all to think, like, I allergy just disappeared, for such a long time. I'm gonna get a routine for myself, going to bed at a certain time, waking up at a certain time, going out walking, doing different stuff. Because there's so many different things that can help with anxiety and depression other than just medication. There's other stuff even better. So much stuff. So it's just so much stuff that I want to bring to my channel. I thank everybody that still constantly watch my videos. Thank everybody that has still, the new subscribers that still came to my page, and even though they seem like, yo, this girl hasn't been on here for freaking 2 months, they still subscribe and check out my other videos. Apparently they liked my content and they felt like, okay, I want to see what else she's gonna, bring. And I am, you guys. I'm bringing so much more. I just been so freaking exhausted, and I feel like I'm finally coming to a place. And I actually feel like this is also gonna help me. I feel like this is gonna help get me back to where it's gonna help. In the comments below what you do and what techniques work for you. If it's exercising, if it's taking yourself on a date by yourself once a month, let me know in the comments what you do to just kind of clear your head and help you. But y'all follow me. It's okay to message me and ask me if I'm okay. Sometimes people need it. Sometimes people need to be asked, are you okay? Are you good? I have learned it's okay not to be okay. And like, comment, subscribe, and let me know. Just let me know what you've been up to. I told y'all what I've been up to.